An emotional Steph McGovern shared a sweet tribute last night to Darren Dutton. The Steph's packed lunch star has benefited from his help in putting the show together for nearly 2 years, but he has now announced his departure. "I am so gutted this fella is leaving," she announced on Instagram to her followers, enclosing a photo of them together and accompanying it with a gif of a baby crying its eyes out. "Has the brains behind all our social media stuff on the show." Then, bearing 2 photos of the duo wearing almost matching striped ensembles, she teased, "And he often likes to dress like me." Steph is well known for her colorful and eye-catching outfits on the show, showcasing neon pink trousers and a panther print shirt earlier this week. While Darren might not have emulated her Pink Panther-style fashion choices, she believes they've matched on other occasions. Besides an eye for style, the digital producer has a history of success on other top-rated shows. Prior to his role on Packed Lunch, he produced content for the BBC on Strictly Come Dancing, The Apprentice, and Eurovision, as well as becoming a promo creator and editor on Have I Got News For You. Prior to that, he held a role as a lecturer in creative media production for almost a decade, before going on to shine on TV himself. Seemingly a master of many trades, he also worked as a freelance comedy writer/director/producer/editor, at various broadcasters and production companies, according to his LinkedIn account. He previously joked on YouTube, "The Sun newspaper once called me a comedian and they should know." He was also a writer on Jeremy Clarkson's new show, It's Clarkson on TV, which aired in 2021, and a director on Big Field. Darren has even tried his hand at the occasional acting role, relishing the chance to shine on stage as much as behind the scenes. He posted emotional scenes on Instagram under the username @mradendutton, where he showed viewers footage of his final day at work on Packed Lunch and the Last Leeds doc run, which saw him running and crying. He also uploaded a photo of himself with Strictly 2021 finalist and the Channel 4 show's resident chef John Wide, revealing that he was going to miss him. John replied, "Very sad to see this one go, but wish you only the very best." Darren has been present throughout many emotional moments on the show, including recording a segment depicting a tearful Gemma Atkinson discussing her terrifying experience with traumatic childbirth. "I was telling myself for weeks and weeks that I'd failed at childbirth," the visibly distressed partner of Strictly Pro Gorka Marquez told the cameras. "I was having these horrible dreams that someone was going to take my daughter, Mia, from me. However, it ended happily, with Gemma recovering from her nightmare experience and considering having a second baby."